won't start.
And there's an helicopter out.
When his helicopter was come off, mate, they would have said to me.
It was?
Yeah.
Alright, I got another bike, but apparently there's an abandoned motocross track near me, so I think I'm going to have a quick ride up, check it out, see what there is, and also test out my new pit bike, 'cause I haven't actually got out on it yet. I've been out on it a little bit, and it's loud, very loud. That's a problem, it brings a lot of attention, so I'm going to smack the GoPro on and we're going to get going, so I'll next see you possibly when I've got the GoPro on. Yes. I've not used this bike at all. You see that bridge there? We need to go across that bridge somehow. Like a little bird on a lot of water. Straight through. Right, I'm not going to go through the puddle this time. Well, that bird. Oh, this is great.
You're going round this track the wrong way.
Am I?
Look behind you. There's a berm there. Sit down to right. You go down through this ditch here and up that hill you come up. So turn around, mate. It'll be that way.
Oh yeah.
This way.
Right, so apparently I go this way. No! Not a chance, that's just a fat draw.
No.
Massive! This bike leans way too much as well. That should be fine for now. Massive! Just ready to go. Yeah, no.
It's my feet. No, when I even went, it.
Be careful.
Didn't even fucking slip.
It died! It won't start. What? I know, I can't start it.
Try kick it.
You ready?
Yep. Ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Oh no, it's over flooded. Wait.
What?
It's flooded.
Oh, petrol.
Yeah, it's flooded. Get him to shout Sean.
Ready? Right now.
You might have definitely dipped down.
What?
When his helicopter was come off, mate, they would have said to me.
It was?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, like an yellow, mate.
So we dip it.
Yeah.
Oh, you get ready to get on bike, so I want to get out.
Right, give me your bag here then.
I'm going to turn this round. I'm going to have to go up and come back down.